we're going to talk about market structure 2, which is multi-time frame market structure analysis or multi-time frame market structure synchronization. So in our last class, we talked about market structure 1, which is the types of market structure and characteristics of market structure, the Dow theory, which you did justice to your assignment. So I want to say well done.
Thank you, sir, for your attention.
Yeah, so let me briefly explain multi-time free market structure, right? So on this side now, let's say it's H4 time frame. This side is H4 time frame. This side is M30 or M50 time frame. So from the H4 time frame, what can we see there? What characteristics of market structure we are seeing on this side we consider as H4?
Uptrend.
Uptrend, thank you. So this is high, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse, right? So right now, all I want you to know is that you see this impulsive move. Let's mark it. This impulsive move, I mean this impulsive move and also this corrective move or retracement. I want you to observe something on H4 time frame. When the market is impulsive move, let's get this thing. So when it's on H4 time frame, it's just like a swing high, this one, right? But yeah, but this particular point here is what we are seeing here. It is this same particular point we are seeing on what? M15 or M30 time frame, this very one. This impulsive move is what we are seeing here. So what are we seeing? That
lower time frame
on H4 time frame is going to be creating characteristics of an uptrend on M30 or M15 time frame. This impulsive move on H4 time frame. Do you understand?
Yes.
So on a lower time frame, is going to be forming characteristics of a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this retracement now on the lower time frame, this retracement on the lower time frame, this particular one, this is the retracement here.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
So now, when the market is retracing, because the retracement is from the H4 time frame, we are going to be seeing characteristics of a downtrend. Do you understand?
Yes.
So it means, does it mean that if we are seeing characteristics of a downtrend, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, does it mean we should sell?
No.
Yeah, that is just because on H4, H4 is what? H4 is bullish, right?
It's still bullish, yes, yes.
So now these characteristics of an uptrend on a higher time frame, this one is just a retracement from that retracement. This characteristic of a downtrend on the lower time frame is just the retracement from H4 time frame or higher time frame, right? So as it keep creating characteristics of a downtrend, when the Dow theory is breached or this particular point on H4 or when the Dow theory is breached on M15 time frame or M30 time frame, the market has been moving, giving all characteristics of a downtrend until the preceding structure breaks with the Dow theory breach. And I said, when the Dow theory is breached, a QM is created. So when this Dow theory breach, what does that mean to you? When you see this retracement from the higher time frame creating characteristics of a downtrend on a lower time frame, let's say M15, It's been creating, you know, when the market is moving in a downtrend, it's respecting the lower high while breaking the lower low. Right now, on this same retracement, something happened. We have a breach of the Dow theory here. So when the Dow theory is breached, what does that tell you?
It tells me that it's about to go in opposite direction.
It is telling you that retracement on H4 time frame is now over. It is now time for the market to start going bullish. Then we buy, because on H4 H4 market structure is telling us that we should become what? We should become buyers. So we are not interested on this.
Hello, sir. Please come again. I didn't get it.
This is when you see that on H4 time frame, right?
Yes.
The market, when you see that on a H4 time frame, the market is an uptrend. Look at the characteristics of an uptrend, which means that in an uptrend, we should be buy bias alone. We should become buyers in that trend, right? So when you are seeing the retracement, are you going to be selling? Oga Solomon. Hello.
Sir, sorry, a call interrupted.
Okay.
A call just came in. Yes, I'm trying to reply the person. You can go on, sir.
Okay. I mean, you said this side like this characteristic was an uptrend. This is not what you said.
Yes.
Now, in an uptrend, are you going to be buyers or seller?
Buyers. Uptrend. Buy.
So now, if you are going to be buyer, you are not interested in this retracement. So if the market is retracing on H4, are you going to sell?
If the market is retracing.
This is a retracement, yeah. This retracement on H4, are you going to be selling?
No.
Is it not a retracement?
Yes, sir.
Are you going to be selling this retracement?
In a way, because at the like you explained in a lower time frame, like 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Hello?
I can hear you.
In lower time frame, 13 or 15 minutes, it will show series of momentum.
Which one is momentum?
So, sorry, a series of lower high or lower low, like the
Okay.
retracement.
Uh-huh.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
So I don't know. I can also take advantage of that. A short. I can take a short
Take
sell.
which advantage? Take which advantage? In an uptrend, you become a buyer. That is what you have to do. Take which advantage?
Okay.
I'm not
Okay.
interested to sell here. The only retracement I'm going to take advantage is when that retracement is coming from daily or weekly.
Okay.
You know, the weekly retracement is going to be even a downtrend on H4 time frame. But I'm not interested to sell weekly retracement. I mean, a H4 retracement. So if A4 is retracing, you know that they are retracing for them to give you a discount price for you to buy, is it not?
Yes.
So you don't know how far the retracement is going to go. So why do you want to sell? They may come here and decide to keep going up. You don't want to sell in a buying market. What do you want to put in your money? You say you want to take advantage. Which advantage? So instead of you to wait and follow the trend, you say you want to take advantage. So in that regard, you on M15 time frame, this retracement here on H4, this one is this one a mark here, right?
Yes.
Now it's giving us characteristics of a downtrend, is it not?
Yes.
Now, characteristic of a downtrend, like this until what? Until the proceeding structure breaks. The Dow theory has been breached. So the moment the Dow theory breach, what does that tell you?
The moment the Dow theory is breached, eh?
Oh yes, on M15.
M15. Okay, it shows that it's a continuation.
Okay, you are not getting it. This characteristics of a downtrend was caused by H4 retracement. Then when the Dow theory is breached, is that not, does that not tell you that that H4 retracement is not over? It is time for the market to start going up. This is exactly where you are preparing to buy.
Yes.
This is what I wanted you to say.
Okay. That was why it's the right way. That was what I was what I wanted to say, but it's just that I didn't say it in the right way. I always say continuation, but
So
I know it ascended just as
now that the Dow theory has been breached, and when we talk about, okay, we have not talked about Quasimodo. This is one of the setup that comes in is QM arrow. So when you see a QM arrow means it's a reversal setup. When this the Dow theory breach on M15 tell us that H4 retracement is not over, this is the best time to start buying, which is when you buy here, the markets keep going up. This particular point becomes what? This one.
uptrend. Buying.
Yes, where you buy. I'm going to show you. I'm trying to show you something. This one, you just buy based on, our setup, one of our setup here. Maybe you buy here. Let me change this one. So we buy here. The moment the Dow theory breach give us a setup, we buy. So this is how it look like. On H4 time frame, this is the movement. This one.
Okay.
This one here. So this retracement on H4 was this one. So the moment the Dow theory breach on M15, because that retracement on H4 was the one causing characteristics of a downtrend. Then the Dow theory breach, then a setup is created. It is a sign that H4 retracement is now over. It's time for us to buy. Then we buy. So when you buy, you are buying in line with the trend because the trend is bullish. This one was just a retracement. Now the trend has continued to go back bullish. Do you understand multi-time frame market structure synchronization?
Yes, sir. So that means the higher time frame the lower time frame must align with the higher time frame.
Yes, because we use the higher time frame to determine the direction of the market, while we use the smaller time frame for entering.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Because in a smaller time frame, if you use the smaller time frame to determine the trend, you would have used this characteristic of a downtrend to think that the trend is bearish. Then you start selling.
Yeah.
And then the market will take you out. But because you consult you are following the higher time frame, which is H4, and H4 is bullish. So this retracement was just retracement, and you are not interested. You are waiting for this retracement to be over for you to buy, right? And now the retracement was the one responsible for this break of structure, characteristic of a downtrend on a lower time frame. So the moment the Dow theory breach on a lower time frame, it is a sign that H4 retracement is now over. It is time for you to start buying the market going up bullish.
Upward. Yes. Okay. Yes.
So this is also happen here. Retracement, giving a characteristic of a downtrend. Then the Dow theory breach, we started buying because we want to become buy bias based on our H4 market structure. Okay. Do you now understand the concept of multi-time frame market structure analysis?
Yes, very well, sir. Very well, sir.
Yeah. So that is why this is the point where some people say, I understand my strategy, but I don't know when to buy, the exact time to buy, or the exact time to sell. I don't know when to enter the market. This is what actually happened.
Okay.
So
Okay.
now let me walk you through the chart. I'm going to use MT5, right?
It's okay.
So on MT5, let me clear the chart. So let me take you to monthly time frame. Okay, this is the monthly time frame, right? Are you there, Solomon?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I can hear
let's
you, sir.
see. Yeah, in this monthly time frame, can you tell me the overall market structure of monthly time frame?
It's on a downtrend.
Yeah, we are on a downtrend. This is impulse, which is the this is impulse, then this is correction, right?
Correction. Yes, sir.
And we may be going in another impulsive movement, going down bearish in a long time. But I want to show you how multi-time free market structure synchronization works. So this is you agree with me that this whole movement was a retracement on monthly time frame, right?
Yes.
But this retracement took about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 10 months.
10 months.
Yes, because the retracement was coming from the monthly, but we were buying GU on a smaller time frame for the past 10 months. So even at that, we know that, okay, this GU that we're buying, busy buying, is just a monthly retracement. So, but it doesn't mean that when we are buying on a lower time frame, we just relax on a lower time frame. No, I use H4 to know the trend of the market, but it doesn't mean that I don't have an in-depth knowledge about market structure on a higher time frame, like daily, like monthly, because I know that, okay, this buying movement we have been buying from this lower time frame is just a retracement from monthly time frame. So now let me explain. This swing, this is impulse, this is correction. This correction on monthly, this correctional move I just mark on monthly, right? Which is a retracement on monthly. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this retracement on monthly is just if you go to the weekly time frame, we are going to be seeing characteristics of an uptrend on a weekly time frame. But on a monthly time frame, yeah, it's just a normal swing. It's just a normal
Must swing. Yeah.
retracement. Are you
Correction.
seeing it?
Yes. Correction.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
So now let's
Yes, sir.
go to weekly and then confirm it. Do you see it now? On weekly, it is what? Characteristics of an uptrend.
Up.
Higher high,
Uptrend. Yeah.
higher
Higher
low,
low.
higher high, higher low, higher high,
Higher
higher
low.
low,
Higher,
higher
higher
high.
low.
Right?
Yes.
Yes, this is how I want you to understand multi-time frame synchronization. So right now, that is why we were buying GU since last year. This movement started November last year. I remember 2022, right? So now, this is impulsive movement on the weekly time frame, right? This is correction. This is impulse, right? Do you understand?
Correction.
This is
Yes.
impulse. So now, if we go to, this is impulse, right? If you go to the lower time frame, this swing on weekly time frame, if we go to daily, we are going to be seeing characteristics of an uptrend within this swing.
Okay.
Let's check it out. Do you see it now?
Okay.
So this is what? High, this is a high, this is a low, this is a high, a higher low,
High.
higher high,
Low.
higher
Higher
low,
high.
higher
Higher low.
high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high,
Higher
higher
low.
low,
Higher.
higher high. But on a weekly, it's just a normal swing. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir, I understand.
So right now, what I want you to understand is that, let me clear that chart. What I want you to understand is that let's go back to weekly. You see, on weekly, we are impulse. We make an impulsive move, impulse, then correction. So on this correction on weekly, we can be looking for selling opportunity because we can be looking for what? Selling opportunity because on daily time frame of H4 time frame, we are going to be seeing characteristics of a downtrend on the weekly retracement. So even when we are going to be selling on the weekly retracement, it doesn't mean the overall market is now bearish. We know that we are only dealing with the weekly retracement. It is the weekly retracement that makes us to be selling on the lower time frame. So let's look at this retracement on weekly, on a smaller time frame and see what is inside there. Let me clear the chart. I can also delete this one. Let me remove this one first so that we'll concentrate on one. So the weekly retracement, we go to daily. What can we see? We can see characteristics of a downtrend, guy.
Downtrend, yes.
Yes, and within this time, we will be looking for only selling opportunity throughout that week. It doesn't mean that the overall market is now bearish.
No, just
it means that we are trading a weekly retracement. So by the time, look at it, let me delete. This is a high, high, low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower high, lower low,
lower high, lower low,
lower high, lower low. Then the Dow theory breach. When this Dow theory is breached, what does that tell you? It tells you that that weekly retracement that we have been selling is not over. It is now time for the market to change direction. So when the Dow theory is breached, we are not going to be confused anymore because all this time we're only selling from the weekly retracement. Now that the Dow theory has been breached, it signifies us that that weekly retracement is now up. It's time for the market to go back bullish because the weekly market structure is bullish, right?
Bullish, yes.
This is multi-time frame market structure synchronization. You need to understand. When you understand this concept, your trading, your analysis is going to be very simple. And by the time this Dow theory is breached and we see a setup, we are buying because we have an in-depth knowledge that the reason why we were selling is because of the weekly retracement. And the Dow theory that breach tell us that the weekly retracement is over. Right? So
yes, sir.
This weekly retracement is what we'll be looking for selling opportunities. If you go to H4 time frame, you are going to see it now on H4. We even use that weekly retracement took us about 2 weeks of selling, right? 2 weeks we look for selling opportunity for over 2 weeks. Now look at even on H4 characteristics of a downtrend. I know this downtrend is a weekly retracement. Like that. Something like that, right?
Yes.
Then the Dow theory breach. So when this Dow theory breach, it signifies that the weekly retracement is now over. Then the market changed from what? A downtrend to an uptrend. So when the Dow theory is breached, it does not just breach. It breach because of what? It's because of what is actually happening on the higher time frame market structure.
Definitely.
So you are not just trading just looking at one time frame in isolation. If we are selling for the past 2 weeks, we know that we have been selling weekly retracement. And when we see that, the Dow theory has been breached, we should not be confused. We should know that, okay, that weekly retracement we have been selling is not over. It is time for the normal market to go toward bullish movement. Because on weekly time frame, it is characteristics of an uptrend. So the bullish movement has started. So we'll start looking for what? Buying opportunities.
Buy opportunity.
So it also happened here, guys. So this is multi-time frame market structure analysis you need to understand. So let me go back to the daily time frame. So if you look at this particular one also, you see that it is just a weekly retracement. This one. When the doubt, this is the impulsive move from the weekly. This one, when the Dow theory was breached, then another impulsive move start. I'm going to show you. So remember, this was the retracement we were selling, right?
Yes.
And the Dow theory breached. So the market continued this move. Then after this move, the market go back to retracement. So on weekly time frame, let's look at it on weekly time frame. You see, so that this is the retracement that we were trading, right? Yeah, that retracement that we're seeing characteristic of a downtrend on daily and H4. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So after the Dow theory breach on daily or H4, then another impulsive movement start, right? Now, this impulsive move, because this is impulse correction, then impulsive, then another correction or retracement. So this retracement also started giving us a characteristics of a downtrend. This impulsive move will be seeing characteristics of an uptrend on H4 time frame. We'll be looking for what buying opportunities back up a bullish, because we understand multi-time free market structure synchronization. All right. So now this particular retracement took over 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, 1, 2, 3, right? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So for these 3 weeks, we should would have been looking for what selling opportunities, knowing fully well that we are only trading H4, weekly retracement. So let's go to the daily. Can we see characteristics of a downtrend on daily?
Yeah, yes.
It's obvious.
Very
and
obvious.
That is why, because of the weekly retracement, that is why even the Dow theory breach here, right? We have a mini downtrend. Oh, let me get it right. So, this is a high, low, higher, high, lower, low, higher, high, lower, low, right? So let's even view the market from the H4 time frame. If we go to H4 time frame, what can we see on H4 time frame? Let me minimize this chart. On H4 time frame, we are seeing a serious downtrend, right?
Downtrend, yes.
So we will be all this while we started looking for selling opportunity, characteristics of a downtrend. We look for only selling opportunity, and then the Dow theory breach. This is the point of Dow theory breach. So when the Dow theory breach on H4 time frame, what does that tell us?
It shows that the higher time frame, which is the weekly, has ended. Then
the weekly retracement has ended. It's time for the market to start going. So when this thing happens, you will not be confused, because you synchronize multi-time free market structure analysis. You know what you are doing. You know that, okay, I'm trading. If we started looking for buying opportunity, we know that we are only buying the impulsive movement on the weekly time frame, right?
Yes.
Then we now see if the market breach structure and started coming down, we know that, okay, we are in another retracement, either from the weekly or from the daily, depending how the information you gather from the higher time frame market structure.
Higher time frame.
This is how multi-time frame market structure works. I hope you understand. This topic is very important. Okay.
Yes, so I will have to watch it over and over again.
Yeah, I hope you're enjoying it.
Are we recording it? Yes. Are we recording it, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
I hope you are enjoying it.
Yes, very interesting.
Yeah. So now let's go to the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. Let me view. You will see that from the daily time frame, also it was obvious here. Then the market structure breach. The market structure breach. The Dow theory was breached. Then the market started moving back to an uptrend. This is how multi-time frame market structure analysis works. I believe you are getting value in this video. And I mean, you are getting value in this particular Zoom session, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is how much the time to market structure analysis works, and it's very important in our analysis or in our trading. When you get an in-depth information, you will know wherever you are in the H4 time frame, you know whether you are trading in an impulsive movement from the higher time frame or you are trading a retracement from the higher time frame. Whenever the Dow theory breach, you are not confused. You know where you are, you know where you are going. You trade in that direction. All right.